What are dimensions exactly? Dimensions refer to the measurements of something in a particular direction, especially its height, length, or width. According to string theory, there exist 10 dimensions. In the first dimension, particles are fixed at a single point and cannot move. In the second dimension, particles can only move forward and backward, and we are living in the third dimension. In fourth dimension, we can able to control the time. In the fifth dimension, we can teleport, fly, and even heal ourselves. Why can't we sense the higher dimensions? Even if higher dimensions exist among us or on a very small scale, we remain unable to perceive them. Because our brains are structured in 3 dimensions. So it is preventing us from comprehending, or we can't able to imagine that. How have the higher dimensions been?